Introducing the CLIMAX Servo Motor Conversion Kit, available in 1.5 kilowatt and 3.1 kilowatt configurations. Designed for seamless integration with CLIMAX BB4500 and BB5000 line boring machines. This bolt-on conversion kit transforms your existing machine into a high-performance servo-driven system. Experience smooth, consistent torque with reduced noise and vibration, delivering precise performance for demanding machining applications. Operator-friendly controls offer variable speed on both models, with the 3.1 kilowatt version adding a digital RPM display and real-time load monitoring. With handheld controls, directional operation, and emergency stop, operators maintain complete control from a safe distance. Available in 1.5 kilowatt and 3.1 kilowatt models. The 1.5 kilowatt runs on 110 volts or 220 volts, while the 3.1 kilowatt runs on 220 volts, single-phase power for strong machining performance. Upgrade your CLIMAX line boring machine with servo-driven power, precision, and control.